Good morning, students. So, we have already studied about the preparations of ammonia gas in laboratory. Then after that, we had already studied about the other methods for the preparations of ammonia gases also, and some of the physical properties also we had been studied in our last class. Today we are going to study about some of the other features of the ammonia gases. So, in our last class we have discussed about the different aspect or the different methods of preparations of ammonia gases, isn't it? Now today we will start with the commercial preparations of ammonia gases, which is required for the means agriculture industry. Agriculture means chemical fertilizer industry for the preparations of different chemical fertilizer. So, how it is been prepared in industry? The first one is the manufacturing of ammonia gases in industry. How it is been done? I already tell you in last class also. I will repeat the same. The nitrogen gas is been absorbed from atmosphere. Okay, nitrogen gas is taken from atmosphere, and hydrogen gas that is taken from the natural gas, and these are passes through a temperature of 500 degrees Celsius and 250 approximately 250 atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressures may be variable up to 900 atm according to the necessity of the promotions of the reactions. Okay, so it means that we have to supply 500 degrees Celsius temperature along with 250 atmospheric pressure for the promotes of the reactions, and as a catalyst iron is been used, and the promoter as a catalyst iron Fe is used, whereas molybdenum is used as a promoter, means that promote the chemical reactions. So, by doing this one they produce ammonia. Now, the questions may be arise that how much nitrogen gas should be given and how much amount of the hydrogen gas must be supplied so to prepare ammonia gas. We can tell it by seeing the balancing chemical equations. Okay, by seeing the balanced chemical equations we can say the volume that is required for the preparations of the ammonia gas. Here what is the amount? 1, isn't it? So, 1 volume of nitrogen with 3 volume of hydrogen. We remember that one. 1 volume of nitrogen with 3 volume of hydrogen. When we provide and we will carry the reactions by following these rules, then it will produce 2 volume of ammonia gas. Okay, I think you are clear. Or if you are not still clear, then suppose I take 1 kg of nitrogen gas and 3 kg of nitrogen gas. When it passes through this process, then 2 kg of ammonia gas will be prepared. Understand? I think you understand. So, for the manufacturing of ammonia gas in industry, we need atmospheric nitrogen gas 1 volume, whereas 3 volume of hydrogen gas which are obtained from natural gases, and these are passes through 500 degrees Celsius in temperature with a catalyst ferrous and molybdenum as a promoter. and the atmospheric pressure is approximately 250 atm, and we produce 2 volume of ammonia gas. Now comes to the next point is what are the conditions required for it. The conditions we have already said that. What are the 3 things that is been necessary here? If you want to manufacture, we should mix what? 1 volume of nitrogen and 1 volume of nitrogen and the 3 volume of hydrogen. So that will produce 2 volume of ammonia gas. Then the next things we have seen in the reactions is what? The temperature. What must be the temperature? Temperature must be 500 degree Celsius. And the another thing what is there? There is the supply of high atmospheric pressure, that is 250 atm, or we can increase the pressure also if we need more reaction. Then the catalyst is necessary. Which catalyst is being used? That is ferrous, Fe, and another promoter is necessary, that is molybdenum. So these are the 3 conditions that are required for the manufacturing of ammonia in the industry. Okay, I think you understood. Now comes to the next topic, that is the chemical properties. Okay, so if we see the chemical properties, ammonia is highly soluble in water. Ammonia, NH3, is highly soluble in water. That's why in preparations of ammonia, what we have done? We have done downward displacement of air, isn't it? We have not kept the water. So what it will form then? It will form what? It will form sodium ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide. So it is another means it gives the name of another one that is called as the liquid ammonia. Okay, ammonium hydroxide is generally called as the liquid ammonia. Why? Because the ammonia which is being stored, that is in the liquid form, in the form of ammonium hydroxide. That's why it is called as the liquid ammonia. We remember that ammonia is highly soluble in water, forming ammonium hydroxide, and it is called as what? That is liquid ammonia. Okay, now comes to the next one. So when ammonia react with acid, when ammonia react with acid HCl, in our test also I tell you the example of testing of ammonia, isn't it? The testing of ammonia is being done by dipping what? Glass rod in HCl and then carry to the gas jar of ammonia, and it will form what? It will form what? It will form? It will form, that is ammonium chloride. Or if we react with the other one also, that is ammonia react with hydrogen sulfate, then what happen? It will produce salt. What is the salt? That is NH4 whole 2 SO4. Why this whole 2? Because the valency of the sulfate is 2, whereas ammonia is 1. Its valency is 2 and it's 1. So when we crisscross, you have studied in class 9. So when we cross, it will form NH4 whole 2 SO4, ammonium sulfate. We can take the another example also for the acid formation, that is nitric acids also, but not necessary. This much can work. Okay. So what we come to know that when ammonia react with acids, it will form ammonium salt. Now comes to the next point, that is when ammonia solutions in water, it means ammonium hydroxide. We are talking ammonium solutions in water, ammonia solutions in water means what? NH4OH. Yes, this is the ammonium solutions with water, that is, it is written there, ammonium hydroxide when react with acid, then to form salt and water. If it is react, what we are reacting? We are reacting ammonium hydroxide, reacting with what? Acid, HCl. Let us take the common acids which we use in most of the reaction. So when the ammonium react with acids, then what happen? It will produce Cl, then what? NH4Cl plus what? H2O. Okay. When we react ammonia, then ammonia with HCl, what happen? It only form what? Salt, isn't it? When ammonia react with acid, it forms salt, and when solutions of ammonia means ammonium hydroxide react with acid, then what it forms? It forms salt and water. Okay, it forms salt and water. Now comes to the next one, next equation or chemical reactions. When ammonia react with carbon dioxide, okay, when ammonia react with carbon dioxide in high pressure, under high pressure and 1500 degrees Celsius, that is what? That is temperature. What it will form? It will form urea. It will form urea. What is urea? Urea is the chemical fertilizer. Let us take the example, ammonia, NH3 plus CO2. When it react with what? It 1500 degrees Celsius with high pressure. Okay, then what it will produce? It will produce ammonia. That is, ammonia means NH2 we have done also, that is urea. Okay, it will produce urea and water. So it will produce what? That is urea and water. So next one, ammonia react with hydrochloric acids. We have already done this one. Ammonia when react with hydrochloric acid, it form ammonium NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, and while forming the ammonium chloride, what happen? It will produce a white fume, like a smoke, white fume, and that is the what? Experiment for the gases that the ammonia or not. We have used these reactions while manufacturing ammonia gases. We have studied already that when a glass rod with means dip with HCl and bring near to the gas jar of ammonia, then it will produce a white fume, that is because of the presence of or because of the formations of ammonium chloride. Now the another one, ammonia gas produce nitrogen gas when bond with oxygen. Bond with oxygen means what? NH3 bond with oxygen, O2. Okay, it is bond with oxygen, then it will produce what? It will produce nitrogen gas and water. Okay, 6 3. Okay, so it will produce ammonia gas when produce nitrogen gas and water when bond with oxygen. When bond with oxygen, it will produce nitrogen and water. So these are the some of the major chemical properties of ammonia gas. Now come to the next topic, that is, I think you understand these chemical reactions. So let us start with the use of ammonia gas. Use of ammonia gas. The ammonia gas, we have studied about urea. So it is what? It is a chemical fertilizer. So we can easily say that it is used in the manufacturing of nitrogenous fertilizer. Nitrogenous fertilizer means the fertilizer that contain nitrogen. Okay, that contain nitrogen, and these are produced by using ammonia. That means such as what? Ammonium sulfate, NH4 whole to SO4. Nitrogen is present, yes. Then ammonium nitrate, likewise urea. We have already given the chemical reactions, isn't it? So these are manufactured by the use of ammonia. Now next comes to the liquid ammonia. The liquid ammonia means what? Ammonium hydroxide. Liquid ammonia means ammonium hydroxide that are used in refrigerant or refrigerant in the industry, like fridge and other that are defreeze and so on, that can be used in that cooling agent. Okay, cooling agent in large industry. Then the next one, it is also used for making washing soda. Okay, washing soda are also prepared from by the use of ammonia gases. Next one, the blueprint map. The blueprint map, which has been you have been seen in lots of the government office, especially we call as the Malpat Karyalay, or sorry, Napi Karyalay, isn't it? That is the land and reforms and so on. So that office has a white map in means just like a blueprinted map, and that are produced by using ammonia. Okay, ammonia used to produce blueprint map. And the next one is the use of cleansing agent. Cleansing agent, do you know what is cleansing agent means? Cleansing agent means to clean, and especially the oil which is been dropped in our clothes, that is not been washed out by the soap or the other thing, and grease also, that when we go to garage and so on, so in our cloth if it is been stick, then it cannot be removed easily, and that can be easily removed by using ammonia. Okay, ammonia. So therefore it is also used in dry cleaning or the washing of clothes for means washing oil and grease from the cloth. And the next one, ammonium chloride and ammonium sulfate. Ammonium chloride and ammonium sulfate are especially used in making medicines. Especially used in making medicine. So these are the some of the topic regarding the ammonia gases, and we complete this topic over here. I hope you understand all this topic, and if you are are not going through this one properly, you can watch the video more and more times, so it will make you easy to understand. And the other thing, from this another chapter is the metal. So for some of the technical problem, we are for some day we are going to stop these classes, and I hope we will join you further again. If you have any queries regarding the any topic from science of class 9 and 10, you can contact with website, my personal website www.crms.edu.np, or you can add in Facebook, that is Pandey Basant CRMS. If you want to add or ask any questions, I will be available in this, or you can leave your message or mail me in above one crms.edu.np or Pandey Basant CRMS in Facebook. So these are the way that you can contact us for if you require any informations or any queries to be settled on. So thank you to all of you and have a good day and nice day.